Okay, turn around like this. Okay, say 1, 2. What do?
Go.
Buckle my shoe. Okay, now 3, 4. What are we gonna do? Go over there. 3, 4. 3, 4. Go. Where's the door? Go shut the door. Okay. 3, 4. Shut the door. Come on. Oh, bring the mommy. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now wait, you gotta go close the door.
Can you close the door?
This is a long video.
So,
What did I do with
close the door.
We hit the stairs. Okay, there.
Wow.
Close
Good
the door.
job, Anna.
3, 4. Shut the door. Okay. 5, 6. Okay. Here we go. Pick up sticks. Pick up sticks. 7, 8. Lay them straight. Put them down. Put them down and get them really straight. Anna, let's put them down. Can you make them really straight? Straight. Make them very straight. Straight. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Good.
9, 10. A big fat hen. What do? Big fat hen.
Wow.
Big fat hen.